the Sea Point promenade, you can see that it is early winter, but it's still very busy, lots of people around. And from here, we're going to take you to our newest listing at Station House, right in the heart of Sea Point, an incredible 2-bedroom unit. We can't wait to show you guys around. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Sea Point. This is Station House. It's an incredible building in the heart of Sea Point, 2 blocks away from the promenade, a building that offers so much, which we're going to take you through later. For now, I'm going to take you for a tour of this beautiful apartment. This is the front door as you come through. As you can see, the reception area has this beautiful wooden paneling. This is kind of a bit of a utility area, place for your keys. You've got some storage space over here as you come into the unit. I'm going to then take you across into your living space, starting with the kitchen. If you have a look at the layout here, it is a beautiful open plan living room layout. You've got an L-shaped breakfast nook over here. The kitchen itself has integrated appliances, an integrated dishwasher, an integrated fridge freezer over here. So the appliances are nicely tucked away into the cupboard space, into the cabinetry. Then moving through to the rest of the entertainment space, you've got this open plan dining lounge leading out onto a balcony. This balcony is a wraparound balcony. You guys will see in another shot that it does make its way all the way around the unit. So it's a massive balcony, amazing for entertaining. Right now, it is early winter or late autumn here in Cape Town. So the way the natural light comes through at this time of the afternoon is amazing. The way the sun moves across in winter, it comes in at a different angle, so you get a lot more sun in the late afternoon into this living space, which is perfect. The bedrooms face the same direction, so you get beautiful natural light, and you really, really appreciate that in the winter here in Cape Town. Moving across then, I'm going to show you guys the entertainment space. That's really one of the nicest things about this apartment. Beautiful setup over here for your entertainment space. Gives you a bit of an idea of what you can expect from the balcony. You've got a little bit of a view of Lion's Head over there. You've got a little bit of a view through these 2 buildings of the ocean on that side there. This is about northwest over here, and as I mentioned, right in the heart of Sea Point, everything you could possibly need. The promenade just a stone's throw away, and this orientation of the balcony really gives you a bit of an indication of that. So from here, I want to show you guys the bedroom space. I'm going to take a walk back inside. We'll start with the master bedroom. As I mentioned, the bedrooms also get beautiful natural light. Flooring, by the way, lovely solid wooden flooring. There's something else I didn't mention. The oven is a much wider than a standard oven, so there's a few little extras. There's also a garbage disposal in the kitchen sink, 1 or 2 little extras that are quite nice. This space here then coming into the main bedroom with the second bedroom across over there. You've essentially got a master bedroom suite. Quick pop into the bathroom here. You've got this master suite, double basin, double vanity, freestanding tub, beautiful white marble finished tiles, and the space very nice and bright, lots of natural light. And then in between that, you've got almost like a walk-in wardrobe with these double wardrobes over here. And again, see how much light comes through into the property, leading out then onto that same balcony that we saw in front here. Lovely white paneling, gives you a little feature wall, the recessed TV, the drywalling having been sunken in. So very, very nice master bedroom. Same flooring throughout in the bedrooms. We'll then just pop across quickly to the second bedrooms. So the second bedroom is also en suite. Same finishes throughout, very nice and consistent. Same kind of flooring, same kind of tiling. You'll see inside the shower tiled up to the ceiling. Currently being used as a kid's bedroom. but again, the same natural light throughout the property here. Same built-in cupboards. Something else that I quite like is the bulkheads and the ceilings with this raw concrete. Gives it a little bit of a almost industrial kind of style with these very nice right angles of the bulkheads, which I think is lovely. The building, as I mentioned, is exceptional. It does also have fire alarm sprinklers throughout the building. You can see some of those sprinklers there up on the ceiling space. And then we have basically done a full loop through the property back here to the front door where we started, the front door and reception area. You've also then got a direct line downstairs to the concierge. Very nice thing about the building, once again, is that it is a mix of apartments as well as hotel apartments. So you do have a front desk and concierge who you can speak to with the phone. Very, very convenient, very nice lifestyle, very similar to that of someone living in New York or maybe in Europe. Downstairs in the station house building is another incredible communal aspect. Here you have a shared braai area, deck, outdoor gym, as well as a very cool co-working space. We find a lot of digital nomads in Cape Town, and people always look for places where they can work, set up their laptops, and this is a great place for it. You basically have everything that you need inside this building, plus then a beautiful backdrop of Lion's Head just behind me here. I think this is really a highlight of this building. This is the incredible rooftop entertainment space. This is communal property for the owners and residents of this building. Incredible views behind me of Lion's Head, beautiful sea views in front, and really a beautiful lifestyle element that ties this whole building together. This incredible opportunity for sale here in Sea Point, in Station House, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 111 square meters, listed for 13.5 million rand. If you're interested in buying this or any other property, please do feel free to reach out. Or if you're interested in listing your property with Let's Prop In Realty on our social media and conventional platforms, please do reach out to us and we'd be happy to assist.